Which of the following equation does not have A equal to 3 as a solution? Does not have. There are two ways of doing this. One is to solve for this. 2A minus 1 equal to 5. 2A equals 5 plus 1. Minus 1 goes this side, becomes plus 1. 2A is 6. A is 6 by 2, which is 3. So this one has A equal to 3. A equal to 3 works. So let's complete by this method. Then we'll go to the next method. So here we have 7 plus 3A equal to 16, or 3A equals 16 minus 7. Plus 7 goes this side, becomes minus 7. This is 9. 3A is 9. A is 9 by 3, which is 3. So A equal to 3 works here also. Let's do this one. 3 minus 2A by 3 equals 1. Let's bring the 1 this side, 2A by 3 this side. So 3 minus 1 equals 2A by 3. 2 equals 2A by 3. A equals 2 into 3 by 2. A equal to 3 works here also. Let's solve this. 7 by A equals 14 by 3. Or 7 into 3 equals 14 into A. I'm just cross multiplying. Or A is 7 into 3 by 14, which is 3 by 2. This one doesn't work, and the choice is D. The other way of doing this, if A equal to 3 were a solution, then all you have to do is substitute A equal to 3 and then verify that. Try that method. 2A minus 1 equal to 5. 2 into 3 minus 1. Is it equal to 5? 6 minus 1, 5. That works. All we have got to do is substitute A equal to 3 and then see if the equation works. So 7 plus 3 into 3. 3 minus 2 into 3 by 3. 7 by 3 equals 14 by 3. If it works, then A equal to 3 is a solution. If it does not work, if the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side, then A equal to 3 is not the solution.